Do you know what Matt requested for his birthday? ShineLong LED Flood Lights to use in his bar and greatly improve the experience of his guests. ShineLong LED Flood Lights can withstand any weather, operating conditions, and environment, and can be installed anywhere, indoor and outdoor. Think industries, warehouses, dance halls, hotels, car parks, stadiums, billboards, and yes, in Matt's bar. They have a long lifespan and a supremely high luminous efficacy, and they won't harm Matt's guests or environment with UV or IR radiation. They're also very robust, waterproof, and vapor-proof, made of tempered glass and aluminum alloy. So they've earned CE and RoHs certifications and have an IP65 rating. In short, they're excellent, highly reliable, durable, and pleasant lighting solution for Matt's bar. So his friends were happy to help him get them and improve his business. Would you like to know more about ShineLong LED floodlights? Then visit our website now and see why you should get them for your business too.